Matter is anything that takes up space. What are the three states of matter? The three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. A gas doesn't have a color or shape, but may have a smell. A solid has a definite size and shape that doesn't change unless someone or something applies force. A liquid flows and takes the shape of the container. To understand matter more, you have to understand atoms and molecules. All matter is made up of atoms. Atoms are tiny particles that make up all matter. An atom is made of three types of particles: protons, neutrons, and electrons. The protons and neutrons cluster together in the central part of the atom, called the nucleus. The electrons orbit the nucleus. A molecule is a particle made up of two or more atoms. This is an oxygen molecule. It is made up of two oxygen atoms. This is a water molecule. It is made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. That is why water molecule is known as H2O.